In this section we will cover the user preferences, user maintenance and data maintenance settings. In this section we will look at specifying your practice information as it would appear on scripts, medical certificates and other documents, specifying your printer information, printer settings and how to load your practice logo, choosing settings to do with how you want e-scripting to behave and how the product search functions behave, specifying providers and facilities for using with the reference letter option. Let's first look at the User Preferences window. The User Preferences window allows you to set your specific printer and other software preferences and load your practice logo. To access the User Preferences, click the Menu button. Click on Preferences. This is the User Preferences. Printing behavior allows you to specify your printer options. Here you can insert the details about which printer, tray number, or paper size to use. Script message allows you to enter a standard message as it would print in each of your prescriptions. There are also printing options for sick notes, documents and images. The program behavior options specify ways in which you can make the software work best for you. Default navigation menu allows you to specify which accordion list to automatically display when the script tab is selected. Minimize program to tray applies when e-scripting is integrated with a PMA. If the checkbox is selected, e-scripting is minimized to the Windows system tray when you click on Return to PMA. Not selected, e-scripting is minimized and hidden when you click on Return to PMA. This allows the program to close automatically if it is not in use. This gives you the option of whether or not you want e-scripting to warn you when you close e-scripting. This option gives you confirmation that a script is being sent. Let's look at search behavior. Selecting this option allows the search to be more flexible with your text input. Having this option selected will return search results that sound similar to the word you have entered, even if the spelling isn't exactly the same. Please note, using this option makes searches slower. Having this option selected makes the search more responsive, as it returns results immediately based on the text you have started inputting. This will bring up all available options of the letters you have already started inserting. If this option is not selected, search will only display results when you have pressed enter or have clicked the search button. Selecting this option will place the cursor in the search result list automatically. Selecting this option will place the cursor on the directions buttons automatically after a medicine is selected. Let us now take a look at importing a practice logo and a secondary logo. To insert a practice logo, go to the User Preferences screen. In the practice logo area, click Load, then browse your computer for the logo you want to insert. Your practice logo has been loaded and will appear on your scripts and documents. If you preview or print your script or documents, your logo will be visible on it. If you want to add an additional logo, go to the User Preferences screen. Click on the Settings tab. Click the Load button and browse for the image to insert. Your second logo has been imported and you will see it will be visible on your scripts and documents. Let's now look at the User Maintenance window. The User Maintenance window is where you specify your user details and practice details, as it would be seen on the script. This window also allows you to change your password. To access the user maintenance window, first click on the menu button. Then click on Preferences. Then select User Maintenance. This section of the user maintenance window is where you specify your user details as it would appear on your scripts. Here is where you insert your practice details. Now we will look at specifying providers and facilities for use with referral letters. You can specify a provider from the Daughter Maintenance screen. To specify a provider, click the menu button. Click on Maintenance. This is the Daughter Maintenance screen. Click on the Providers tab. The Providers tab is now active. Click on the New Provider button. Enter the required information for the provider. Note: the minimum information required to create a new provider is the first name and the last name. Any further information is entered at your discretion. Once you have filled in and selected all the fields, you may click Save Provider. Referring doctor saved. Now you may click on Close. Now we will look at specifying a facility. To specify a facility, open up the Daughter Maintenance screen. Click the menu button. Click on Maintenance. The Daughter Maintenance screen opens with the Facilities tab active. Click on the New Facility button. Enter the required information for the facility. Note: the minimum information required to create a new facility is the name. Any further information is entered at your discretion. Once all the required fields have been filled and selected, you may click on Save Facility. Hospital saved. You may now click on Close.